Last year I became a father. Which means it will happen sooner or later, but now let's build a mobile. On my shelf I found a stepper motor and a special driver for it. Also, various microcontrollers are at my disposal. Assembling a prototype is an essential step for any project. I'm soldering some stuff and wiring up parts on a breadboard. Very simple program is required to control this setup. All I need is to send a very short impulses with a frequency defined by driver microstepping setting, motor specification and desired speed. Here I'm sending 5 microseconds signal every 2 milliseconds. Does the customer pay for the number of lines of code? No problem. I engage the timer, choose the correct prescaler, and toggle the bit on the output pin in the interrupt service routine every time the counter reaches one of the two comparison values. I don't think my son will notice the difference. I'm using vinyl tubing to transmit the movement, and a fishing line to hang a frame made from a popsicle sticks. Sticks will be held together by 3D printed parts, which I need to design. I'm using Fusion 360 and I can't recommend it enough for any engineering hobby project. After assembling final version with an 3D printed enclosure, the job is complete. I can't be happier more with this definitely over-engineering project. It took a couple of days from the idea to attaching mobile to a crib. I'm satisfied with the process of designing and building something new, especially for my son, who loves the results as well. I encourage every engineer to broaden your horizons and build something new for yourself or your relatives. Have a great day and stay safe.